Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install Waka TV to your Android TV. This is easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this. So if you're looking to install the Waka TV application to Android TV, especially without Google Play, this is exactly what you should do. Now you have to go over to your apps on your Android TV, and you're going to be using an application called Downloader. Here's it over here. Now remember, I don't have Play Store on my Android TV. Now if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, don't worry. In the description of this video, I have added a link that's going to guide you or instruct you on how to download and install Downloader to your Android TV. So just go over the video right now, watch it, download and install the Downloader application to your Android TV, and go ahead and launch. Now, Downloader is very easy to use. Downloader helps you install files, applications, or it also acts like a browser on your Android TV. So once you've installed it, this is exactly what you should do. Just go over to the search box here or the box over here and type in this code. Now we're going to type in a code to install this application, and the code is 664118. So that is the code 664118. How does this work? With Downloader, if you type in a code that is correct and you click on go or OK, it is just going to go ahead and download the particular application associated to that code, as you can see on my screen right now. So here's the code for Waka TV, and it's just going to start downloading right now. So as you can see on my screen, the application is going to start downloading, and once it's done downloading, it's going to give you an install button that can go ahead and install to your Android TV. So you can just go ahead and wait for it to download and be done. Now, once the application is done downloading, what you have to do is simple. It's going to show like this. Just click on install, and it's going to start installing to your Android TV without any issues. You are just going to wait for a moment, and once it's done, the application will be installed to your Android TV. And this is how to install the Waka TV to Android TV using a downloader code. This is very easy. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this.